Hello friends, myself Dr. Kunal. I'm here with Dr. Vineet sir. We are here to address a very common question asked by the students that when they go to the examination hall, how to handle the question paper. Sir, can you please?
Yeah, what I personally feel is that the mindset what as a student we should have while entering the examination hall, that is very, very important. It should be totally calm, composed, and focused. No panics. There can be different type of exams, different type of question papers which might come to you. There may be a simple exam, there may be a balanced exam, there might be a very tough exam. And your approach should be different in these three exams. Like suppose if it is a very easy exam, then in the easy exam, what you need to do is you should not become complacent. You should not start feeling that, yes, I know this, I know this, I know this, I know this. You should be confident but not overconfident. So read that question carefully, mark the correct answer, and try to commit less number of silly mistakes. Right? Now, if it is a balanced type of question paper, balanced type means which would be having 10 to 20% single liner type of simple questions, 60 to 70% the conceptual questions, and 10 to 20% of the questions which you would not be knowing at all. So in this balanced type of question paper, the single liner questions, you should be devoting approximately 15 seconds to 20 seconds. See that you're not committing a silly mistake out there. 60 to 70% the conceptual questions. Believe in yourself that you have really worked very, very hard for this exam. And you have to apply all the knowledge what you have gained and just try to incorporate those conceptual knowledge and mark the correct answer. Herein, there might be a confusion between two options, which is something which is very natural, which happens with everyone. So, in such situation, you should go with your instinct. The first answer which strikes to your mind, yes, I have read this in this particular class. This sir or this ma'am has taught me like this. So stick to that and mark that. And believe me, that would be the most correct answer there. And the third type of questions in this balanced paper, the 10 to 20%, would be something which would be out of the blue, which you would not be knowing about. So don't lose your patience in these questions. This is the test of your patience. Have that composure inside, have that belief inside that yes, let me just quickly try. You might devote 50 seconds, 45 seconds or 50 seconds, not more than this in these type of questions. So this is how you will be solving the balanced type of question paper. Now the third type of question paper, the possibility seems to be a little unlikely, but if suppose there is a series of questions which you are not knowing, or maybe the entire question paper, and you start feeling demotivated that, oh my God, I have worked so much and still I'm seeing all these questions which I have not studied. I think the most important thing here is you have really worked very, very hard. You have to believe in this. You have to stay firm here and try to analyze all the conceptual knowledge and try to sort out the best answer. The basic instinct is going to help you here. So this should be our approach in these three type of question papers. This is what I personally feel. And herein I would like to ask Dr. Kunal sir that many a times we have seen that the examiner is fond of giving a series of questions which are totally out of the blue. At this point of time, what is your opinion that how the student should tackle such series of unknown questions?
Sir, I particularly feel that, when we are sitting here and talking, I mean, we all have given multiple exams, these multiple choice exams. And in every exam, there is a situation that there would be some questions which will not be knowing, and the worst situation could be that there are series of questions which we don't know. That is the worst thing. But then, from the experience which I have collected by talking to so many people, people who won the race are those who always have a belief that if there are 5, 7, 6 questions which I don't know in a series, there would be 20 questions coming up next, which I definitely would be knowing. Because here you have to believe in yourself, you have to believe in your hard work. So never get demoralized over there, because if you get demoralized in the start, then the things which you can do right later, you'll be hampering those two. So, sir, I personally believe that have to have a belief and just go with it. And if, let's say, you're not able to tackle the anxiety over there, what you have to think then? Then you have to think that your first thing is you have to cross the line. So just think that okay, if there are questions which I don't know, it's okay. I have not been asked to know everything about everything. This is what I believe. So the final thing I want to ask is that once we are done with paper number one, let's say, and we come out in the break, now what exactly to be done in this break? How to utilize those 2.5 hours in the break for the second paper?
Stick to the basics. In the break time, you are exhausted. Relax yourself. Have some light snacks. Do not discuss a single question from the first paper with your friends or colleagues or anybody. Please do not do that. Don't discuss any question. And utilize your break time in a judicious manner. You can go through the images, especially the clinical images, right? The radiology images, the surgery images, the orthopedic, dermatology. Go through those images. And you can go through the single liners, maybe your chanting sessions, what you would be having with you, or maybe the single liner book, what you are having with you. That would be of great help in the break.
And sir, finally, one more thing. Sir, should we eat?
Yes, you are exhausted. Do not overeat, otherwise, you will become sleepy. But you need to take some light snacks in the break.
So that's it, guys, from our side, and we really believe that these small inputs of ours should help you in for solving the question paper in the exam.